So much ash in there, stuff won't stay down at the bottom like it's huge.
That's fabulous.
Huh?
That's fabulous. You gonna burn down the house?
I doubt it.
You probably don't want to put any more cardboard down there at the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Is there any wood down there or anything?
Yeah, just a while on the concrete. Couldn't get it filled far enough back, that shit.
It stinks. So it'll just burn off that oil that's down at the bottom. Okay.